sending money internationally just got a whole lot simpler, and I'm going to show you exactly how with Remitly. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to Remitly.com or download their user-friendly app. Click on Sign Up, and you'll be guided through creating your account. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email, and create a secure password. It's quick and easy. Once your account is ready, it's time to tell Remitly who you're sending money to. Tap on Send Money, and you'll be prompted to add a recipient. You'll need their full name as it appears on their identification, their relationship to you, and their mobile phone number if you're sending to them for the first time. You might also need to provide their home address. Now, let's talk about how to pay for your transfer. Remitly offers flexible payment methods. You can choose to pay using your U.S. bank account, which often comes with lower fees. Alternatively, you can use a debit or credit card. Just select your preferred option and enter the necessary details. Before you finalize, you'll see a summary of your transfer, including the amount you're sending, any applicable fees, and the estimated delivery time. Double-check everything to ensure it's accurate, then hit that Send Money button. The best part? Remitly lets you track your money every step of the way. Once your transfer is initiated, you can monitor its progress directly within the app or on the website. You'll receive updates as the money moves from your account to your recipients, giving you complete peace of mind. And that's it. You've successfully sent money with Remitly.